in the Philippines YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the videos. Subscriber number 356 now. We're growing slowly, but we're still growing. So today's video is going to be about window air conditioner washing and cleaning. So I moved into the new house about 4 months ago, so it's time to get the window air conditioners cleaned. So called on a couple of people. They're going to come over and charge me 250 pesos to clean each of the air conditioners for 2 of them. So that's about $5 each. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and click the like button, and here we go. What are you doing?
I try to pick the
Oh, no more shock?
Yeah.
Yay. That's very dangerous. So here's a pressure washer in the Philippines. Seems to do a pretty good job. I use one of those for washing my motorcycle. So they take the water hose, put it into a tub of water, it sucks it out via the pump. And I believe that's the pump motor, and then, well, that's the electric motor running the pump over there. And then they have about a 5/8 yellow hose line that goes to their handheld washer. That's how they're going to dry the air conditioner with a leaf blower. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment. Have a great day.